Okay, my name is Brian Nelson. I'm third generation Rollag. Been up here 49 years. Well, my earliest memories up here is playing in miniature land. That's where we got a lot of kids get started up here. And that's about the best memories you can have up. Then from there, boy, it's countless. Been on every stage of the show there can be almost. Meeting a lot of different people. It's been a lot of fun. Good. A lot of the good people over the years. This real early 80s, this was just a field down here. And they started out with building the barn. And I probably pounded a few nails in there. Then they built the house. That was going. And as time went on, they built on a few more buildings, and they got the power unit, horsepower unit, came from an auction sale south of Lake Park, and I think my brother was in part of that, finding that originally. And I remember I was standing in the middle of that thing the first time I went around with horses on it. That's something you really don't forget. But that was back in probably the mid 80s, early 80s, mid 80s that they started with that. It's been a pretty good drawing card ever since. It's real good nostalgia area.
Take a step back in time before modern machinery in our horsepower area. From horse-powered equipment such as planters and plows to our period farmhouse, you'll get a feeling of life in the days of yesteryear.
Okay? Sure. Just so you know. Hey.